Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We're here at CameraPro. I'm Louise.
And I'm Jackson.
We've got a very special guest here with us today, Colin from Canon, and two awesome new cameras. We've got the EOS M6 Mark II
and the Canon 90D.
You may have seen our other videos on our YouTube channel where we're talking about these two cameras separately, and I'm sure you're all wondering what the big differences are between the two and who these cameras are suited for. So we've got our expert Colin here today to talk about those for us.
Awesome, thanks for having me. So we've got the two new cameras from the EOS range coming out to you on the 28th of August, 2 PM. Probably looking at this video and wondering when, which particular model is available at what time. These will both be available from mid-September, and you can get your orders in from the time that you see this video moving forward. Just talk to the crew at CameraPro. As for which camera is the right one for you, the best thing to do, definitely come in the store and try both on for size. But if we were to summarize in a nutshell, the 90D is the more traditional DSLR, probably going to suit people upgrading from a 20 or a 50 or a 70D. Want to take advantage of the 4K video and the faster frame rates, and of course that new 32 meg sensor is just beautiful. If you're coming into the system completely fresh and new, the mirrorless system may suit you better. It has the same specifications internally as the 90D. It does give you that option to have the smaller, lighter body, and also the EFM range of lenses will fit. Again, both cameras are really dedicated to the entire market, so this is kind of the one camera fits all kind of range. It's quite suited to the vloggers in that they both have the flip screens with the microphone inputs. They both have 32 meg sensor. The big difference between the two though is obviously size and weight. So if you are traveling a lot and you've got small sort of compartment size and bag space and you want to minimize your load there, then of course the M6 Mark II would be the better choice of the two. But again, if you're into the traditional side of DSLR, the 90D continues on from the 80D and the tradition in that double digit series heritage.
If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us at CameraPro. You can give us a buzz or jump on our website or pop in store in Brisbane. And we can't wait to see what you choose between these two cameras and what you create with them. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks guys.